My fellow people of Rivers State, it is my pleasure to formally mark the first 100 days of our government in office, a compelling milestone for us to reflect on the activity and achievement of the government so far since we took the oath of office on the 29th of May 2023. In my inauguration speech, we promised to consolidate and continue the new Rivers vision by committing to sustaining the momentum of development set by our immediate past governor and now Minister of Federal Capital Territory, His Excellency Onyezom Ezenwo Wike. We also called on our people to work with me to implement our blueprint on security, infrastructure, education, healthcare, economic growth, job creation, and many more, and take our lovely state to greater heights of sustainable progress and human security. Now, after 100 days, I am proud and humble to report that we have not wavered from this course. Taking one step at a time, we have kept our eyes focused on this goal, made steady gain, and delivered on every one of the bold promises we made on the campaign trail despite the economic challenges of. As a government, our priority is to secure the life and property of our people and have kept faith in this responsibility by working with the security agency to keep Rivers State relatively peaceful, safe, and secure of life, businesses, and property. We are up to date in the payment of salary, pension to civil servants. We have also continued to gradually clear the backlog of gratuity to beneficiaries and restore water in the State Secretariat complex. On the 17th July 2023, we flagged off the construction of the single largest infrastructure project by a state government in this country, the Port Harcourt Ring Road project, as part of our comprehensive infrastructure development master plan for the state. The 50.15 kilometer dual carriage ring road, when completed in a record 3 years, will connect, strengthen economic progress and integration in not less than 6 local government areas and open a vast gateway for new local and foreign direct investment in real estate, agriculture, hospitality, and industrial venture into the state. Transform the communities on and around its alignment into thriving cities and create jobs and economic opportunity for so many of our citizens. Since we took over, the wheel of progress have never stopped turning in our state. After 100 days, we have funded, completed, and delivered 21 road projects, the many we inherited from the previous administration, and added approximately 68 kilometers to the state's road network. Consequently, the following completed road projects across 8 local government areas of the state will be commissioned from tomorrow, the 7th September 2023, as part of activity to mark 100 days in office. Oyibo, Okoloma in Oyibo local government area, Alode One Road in Eleme local government area, Butem Bene, Ururu Road in Tai local government area, Mbodoha Internal Road in Obiakbo local government area, Tibo Yubogo in Ahoda East local government area, Udemode Road in Ahoda East local government area. Onwok Eligwe Krigene Road in Oba Ebema and Ndoni local government area, Eneka Internal Road in Obiakbo local government area, Obakri Internal Road in Emowa local government area, Omogwa Internal Road in Ikwere local government area. Furthermore, having prioritized road construction as part of our strategy to accelerate social economic growth and development, we have awarded contract and concluded plans to flag off the construction of the following road spread across 5 local government areas of the state as part of a 100 days in office activity. Umuekele, Mberi Road in Omuma local government area. Aleto, Ebubu, Eto Road in Eleme local government area. Ihubo internal road in Ahoda East local government area. Elelongo internal road in Obiakpo local government area. Bori City internal road in Kana local government area. And Emowa or Bakre road in Emowa local government. To improve the quality of basic education, we have in the last 100 days completed the acquisition of over 1 million copies of relevant educational resource materials, including basic textbook, dictionaries, and encyclopedias to be distributed to all primary and secondary schools across the state to enrich their library and improve the standard of teaching and learning experience in our school system. Also, besides paying WIKELAKS and NECO fees for students in all public schools, we have within the timeline completed the reconstruction and furnishing of 6 secondary schools with 124 classrooms, model furnitures, science laboratories, ICT, libraries, administrative blocks, assembly hall, dormitory, staff quarters, spread across 6 local government areas of the state. These are Government Secondary School, Burukiri, Port Harcourt local government area, Government Secondary School, Eneka, Obiakpo local government area, Government Secondary School, Emowa local government area, Government Secondary School, Okehi, Echie local government area, Comprehensive Secondary School, Alesa Eleme in Eleme local government area, and Government Secondary School, Ataba in Andoni local government area. As promised, we have started implementing our agenda to improve access to quality healthcare delivery in the state. In the last 100 days, we have given a marching order to the Primary Healthcare Management Board to set up effort to revamp and ensure effective access to primary healthcare services in all our communities. In response, the board has renovated not less than 10 primary healthcare centers across the 3 senatorial districts of the state, located at Elekahia, Romo Damaya, Okehi, Oyibo, Gokana, Opopo, Ahoda, Miniama, Okozo, and Okochiri community. On our part, we have completed the reconstruction, upgrading, and equipping of 2 secondary healthcare hospitals, the Kesley Harrison Memorial Hospital and the Dental, Maxillofacial, ENT, and Ophthalmology Hospital, to further strengthen the state capacity for the provision of affordable and quality healthcare service to all residents. This important hospital, with a combined 150 bed space and state-of-the-art equipment, are due to reopen their doors to provide quality healthcare services to the public soon after they are inaugurated in a few days. The Dental, Maxillofacial, ENT, Ophthalmological Hospital have been designated as an annex to the River State University Teaching Hospital and used for medical research and the training of medical students at the River State University. Under the Ministry of Special Projects, we have delivered the 10,000 seating capacity convocation arena for the University of Port Harcourt. This is one of a kind physical edifice that will provide academic and social services to the university community and the public, which align with our commitment to support all federal institutions in the state as much as we can to enable them to deliver effective, efficient services to our people, who are the primary beneficiaries of their services. It is for this reason that we recently acquired and donated a firefighting truck to the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria to enhance and restore to operation of the international flights at the Port Harcourt International Airport. Over this first 100 days, we have taken quality steps to advance the well-being of our people in the face of the economic hardship caused by the sudden withdrawal of fuel subsidy, unemployment, and rising inflation. We are happy to note the palliatory effect of the free bus transport scheme we have put in place since July to cushion the high cost of living for ordinary citizens. I assure you of our intention to sustain this and other mitigating measures, including the distribution of food to the vulnerable people for a considerable time. I also wish to inform residents that we have since set up an intergovernmental flood management committee with the responsibility to respond proactively to the looming flooding that may affect the inhabitants of the lowland and the floodplain of our state, as predicted by the National Emergency Management Authority. With the launching of the flood mitigation roadmap, I can assure all residents that we are on red alert to respond to any imminent flood challenge in the state and provide safety and relief to those who will be affected. I therefore appeal to corporate bodies, well-meaning individuals and non-governmental organizations to be ready to materially support the committee to succeed in this critical assignment to rescue our vulnerable people. To stimulate our economy, enhance job creation, reduce poverty, we have concluded plans to create a 4 billion naira enterprise fund in partnership with the Bank of Industry to facilitate the development of micro, small, and medium enterprise in the state. With this fund, owners and intending micro, small, and medium entrepreneur will have ready access to credit to fund or start their enterprise at single-digit interest rate with a maximum of 5 years repayment period. In addition, we're also making an effort to establish the Youth Entrepreneurship Development Trust Fund to help create an enterprise culture and stimulate sustainable interest in entrepreneurial activity among our youth to advance self-employment and job creation. We have concluded a plan to establish a state investment promotion agency to advance local and foreign investment and industrialization of our dear state. For us, as we move to the next 100 days and beyond, there is nothing more compelling to our government than to continue to focus on protecting our people, growing our economy, to provide high standard of living, investing in human capital development to uplift the youth, and the building our infrastructure to attract investment and create jobs. As we can see, we have already accomplished a lot in our first 100 days, and we are determined to achieve more, much more, in weeks, months, and years ahead. I thank every citizen, including our traditional rulers, our chiefs, our elders, women, our youth, the business community, civil society organization, professional groups, and the religious community for our support, cooperation, and prayer, which have sustained us through the last 100 days of our administration. I thank the security agencies for their commitment and sacrifice to protecting life and keeping Rivers State safe and secure for everyone. I assure you we will not relent in our commitment to support you in discharging your security responsibility to our state and the nation. I thank the State House of Assembly for their cooperation and support in passing the supplementary appropriation law, which enabled us to secure the fund for the Port Harcourt Ring Road project. Finally, we recommit to working with all stakeholders to transform our state, advance our well-being of our people with good governance and responsive leadership. I thank you, and may God bless our dear states.